Hello guys, today we are going to unbox a new electric kettle from Amazon. I bought it yesterday and got delivered today, so we are going to unbox it. Here we are having the bill from Amazon. Some plastic cover. Here's the box. Okay, so we are going to unbox this thing. Open. This thing we are having the electric coil. Then we have the kettle. It's a kettle. And then here's we have the warranty card which is for 1 year. Okay, then we have to first connect this thing, that electric coil. Then we have to place this on top of above. We are going to pour water. Okay, then there is switches for the electric current to pass. Turn it on, light will come. You just keep wait. Now water is boiling. It is having 130 volt. 130 volt alla. 1330. Okay guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.